Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Nissan Navara SL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4885. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDTT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDTT twin turbo 2.3 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine. We have the left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black cloth center console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heated control. Single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Sunglass holder type. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.